Have you ever felt like what you were doing was pointless? Well, so have I. And believe me, quitting was the easiest option of them all. Just walking away does indeed feel tempting, as it presents itself as the most rewarding choice in the short term. But living in the short term is not, in my opinion, the wisest thing to do. If there is something I've learned for flying drones for more than 2 years, is that as soon as you take off, your perspective shifts and you start seeing the world from a totally different point of view. And that opens your mind in ways you never imagined. You should live the present, but reflect on what that specific behavior will mean for you in the long term. Where will you be if you keep on taking the shortcut and quitting all the time just because it's easier? Wouldn't you agree that good things take time, effort, patience, and most importantly, determination? I heard a quote one day that resonated a lot with me, and it goes like this. Every day you are presented with a choice to repeat your past choices or to change and create new ones. Let's take the example of waking up early. Every day you are presented with the choice to do so or to keep on sleeping. Which one do you think would benefit you the most? And don't get me wrong, you need to sleep. Just do make changes from time to time, and eventually, someday, those changes will feel like the norm. If there's something you should retain from this video, please let it be this next segment. No matter what you're going through, keep on going. Problems in school, mental health, even relationships. If you can see the worth of something, push through. In the end, you will thank yourself for not letting go.